Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Mercedes GLC 2017 model. Basically, vehicle came from very far and it has a 6 faulty code all related to the AdBlue and 1 faulty code for the data removing somewhere. However, finally we done the diagnostic, we done lot of cleaning, flush the AdBlue tank. Then after that, we went twice motorway, 20 miles, again 40 miles, not success. Then after that, we done one software updated, not success. After the software update, can't read the AdBlue metering. Then again, I done the another software. Then after that, I took it to the road test today, and now it has a counted mileage for the AdBlue. Stay with me, have a look what's going on, take a good idea, then you will get right good knowledge about this car because I'll struggle bit more time, more software, spend more effect and finally got the answer. Also, if you still not subscribe my channel, please do it now and press bell icon, then you can get lot of useful video. And if you want to join with us our WhatsApp group, Facebook group, link below, you can click that link and you can join with us. And make sure don't going to add spam there, don't going to promote your item. If you have any vehicle problem, if you need any answer from me, that's a place for you. Thank you. Stay with me and have a look what's going on here. Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Mercedes GLC 2017 model. Have a look what happened inside. Engine start not possible in 8 miles. Right, okay, I'm going to plug in my computer and have a look what's going on here. Also same time I'm going to the main menu and check any meter reading for the AdBlue. Yeah, cannot measure fluid level. Okay, right. Yeah, 4 code for the under engine management. Right, this is the problem at the moment. P13E400 remaining distance, P2BA900 the emission limit for NOx exceeded, and also another faulty code for AdBlue consumption too high, P20F500, and another faulty code P1BC300 additional faulty freeze frame data. Right, okay, first of all I'm going to delete this all faulty code and have a look what's going on. Ignition on here. Yeah, nothing to do, it's not allowed to clear DTC. Yeah, just one gone, other 3 messages still there. Right, I'm going to start the car. Go back and have a look any meter reading at the moment. No, still not. Right, okay, next step I'm going to underneath and check AdBlue tank visually, check AdBlue injector and check visually any leaking underneath. Then after that come back to you. Because of the low mileage, it's a 8 miles. After that, car not possible to start. Because of that, I can't go to the motorway and I can't check my live data as usual. But however, I need to treat this car slightly different way. Next step, what I did, I'll jack up the car and took the AdBlue pump out and got the sample and checked that AdBlue quality, it's very low. So then after that, what I did, I'll remove the AdBlue pump and I left it for draining all AdBlue. Then after that, I'm going to flush the system, and same time I'm going to check all wiring and connectors underneath. Is it possible to find out anything? If it not, I'm going to fill up with the new AdBlue and I'm going to relearn the value and start what's going on there, because however this vehicle not possible to take to the motorway. I already took it out around 15 liters, still draining. And also, this is, ignore the brand, don't worry about the brand, I'm not promoting any brand, but however, before you use the AdBlue, open the lid and have a look any smell there. If it smell, don't use it because it's contaminated or poor quality. And also this one very smelly, even the can't go close to there, it's very smelly. Then after that, buy like this refractometer, then it's very useful, keep in your car and take a drop and check with the meter, is it good quality AdBlue. It's need to be 32.5. This one I already check, good quality. Then so I'll wait for the until drain. Once it drain, I'll install the pump, install underneath cover and show you what I'm going to do with the computer. This is the underneath situation of the car. Someone cleaned the AdBlue injector hole. Customer told already they clean AdBlue injector. We'll see the back side of the injector. Yeah, no, see, they clean the injector hole, but they didn't clean injector needle. Yeah, that's a one problem. That's why I'm always check underneath. I don't know, when someone do the job, it's not 100% right. You can see now, this is the thing I don't like to depend on the others. Anyway, I'm going to clean this hole here, needle. Then after that, I'm going to install everything. Still behind, still draining the AdBlue. Yeah, I'll clean and I'm going to install everything as it is. Last night you saw I did the AdBlue flushing, and also I clean underneath injector hole, they clean already, right? Okay, right, still you can see 8 miles left there, right? I'm not going to too much worry. I'm going to start the car and leave it running half an hour. Now 8:28, I'll come to the car around 9 o'clock. Yeah, I left it running this one nearly hour. Now I'm going to plug in my computer and play with the computer. Right, at the moment 4 faulty code for the under engine management, but I'm going to clear all DTC. Have a look here. Yeah, still 3 faulty code left there. Basically it won't allow to reset the faulty codes. Doesn't matter, no need to panic. Yeah, still AdBlue quality low, still stored there. Hmm. Right, okay, take a chance and going to the motorway. I drove 4.5 miles. However, I need to do the fuel. It's very low. I can't go motorway like that. I'm take a chance and switch off the car and do fuel because we have a still miles. Right, switch off. Yeah, it's starting. Lovely. Yeah, I'm going to do the fuel and come back to you. Right, it's a after 3 miles engine not start. Okay, I have 3 miles. I'm take a chance and go to the motorway and show you what happened if it run out the mileage. Now I have enough fuel, almost full. Yeah, let's go to the motorway. Sign came to the engine start not possible. Yeah, mileage completed. Yeah, still I'm on the motorway. Already 33 miles done in the motorway. Now, however, when I switch off engine, it's not start. If you see this message before run out the mileage, make sure top up your fuel as much you can and disable your stop start button, and you can go to until your destination like a safer place. Yeah, this one I drove 33 miles with that message. We'll see what I can do for next step. Right, I'm going to switch off the car. Off and try to start. Ah, it's starting. Huh? It's starting. Again switch off. That's nice. And start. Right. Okay. Let's go to the AdBlue system. Still message there. Fluid level can't measure, but car start. Ah, I never expect. I thought I'm going to play with the computer, but it start. Okay, now I'll try to play with my computer. Sometime I need to do the software to take off this engine management. Yeah, okay, I'll show you what's going on there. Right, done the software update. No engine management light on anymore. Right, when I go into the message, you can see no any message, no any warning light for anything. But when I go into the AdBlue tank, it say can't measure fluid level. What I'm going to do, I'm going to try another good road test and have a look what's going on. I'm done the zero the mileage. Yeah, it's zero. Yeah, let's go to the another good road test. Complete the motorway journey again, 15.9 miles. No any funny warning light at the moment. We'll see what happened to the AdBlue count. See, still no any messages. Right, it's still not measure. I'm going to switch off and start again. Yeah, still not measure. What I'm going to do, I'm going to check with the computer again. Yeah, at the moment no any faulty code for the engine control module. Little bit tricky. I never had a problem before like this. Yeah, but no faulty code even. Okay, anyway, I'm going to leave it at the moment as it is today. I had to think again, and I feel in something not right, but I saw the AdBlue pump work, but I feel in something not right with the AdBlue tank, because the AdBlue tank, the measuring the system, but however, I need to check a little bit more, and I'll come back to you. Thank you. Hi, went to the motorway. I think around, have a look, 19.6 miles. Yeah, while I on the motorway, the what do you call, the AdBlue light came back. Not AdBlue light. Have a look here. Countdown mileage came. You can see one message. Yeah, after 492 miles, vehicle not possible to start. Okay, and we'll see the AdBlue meter is still not. I know definitely right. Okay, I'm going to exit from here, and I'm going to check with the computer what's the faulty code there. Yeah, still no any faulty code. Next step, I need to go with software again. I feeling something happened while I done the software last time. Then I had to repeat the job again. Come back to the channel. This is GLC again. Finally, I spent a lot of time and came to the output. I done the software. Then after that, you can see going to the main menu. Okay. Service. At the moment, no any messages for the AdBlue, and we have a full tank of AdBlue now. Yeah, it's counted. This is the problem. Yeah, finally I'll success, but I'm not going to stop from here because this customer came a bit far. So I'm going to the good road test and have a look what's going on there after the road test. See you after road test. Took it to the road test. No any funny warning light. I'm happy. Have a look. I'm going back to the again main menu. Yeah, see, 0 messages, and AdBlue, yes, 6,600. Yeah, all good. Yeah, I'll spend bit more time with this car. Took it 2 times motorway, 20 miles, 40 miles, done twice software, all twice. However, finally got the answer, ending with nice and happy answer. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and follow my channels. You can get lot of video like this, and also if you want to join with us our WhatsApp group, Facebook group, link below, you can click that links and you can join it there. See you with another video. Thank you.